right? And then we have multinational or global presence. Excellent example is JW Marriott. This is a group of hotels. It is available in Singapore, Dubai, as well as in India. We have very much branches and exposure. We have them in the France, England. Every nation, if there is a proper tourist place, we have JW Marriott. Whenever you are entering, you will be having a proper same exposure with the customized theme. But you will not face any issue with the quality. You will not face any issue with the attention given to the customers. Like I visited Mumbai. Mumbai was good, but in Pune we had issues with the smell, odor coming from bed bugs or something like that. No, never. They are keeping their global presence equally strong because their customers are multinational or corporate customers who are hopping every year or every month to different nations. So what they expect? We need a equal balance. A simple example. If you are very much good with the sandals and someday I will tell you about the Mozidi, you will feel discomfort, right? Something happening, itchy or something very tight or sweaty, something happening. So you need a comfort, all day comfort. Same thing happens with these people as well. They need a comfort over. Yesterday I was in France and now I am hopping to the England for the business meet. So I am not worried about my hotel. I am not worried about the stay. This France hotel directly coordinates with the England hotel that guest is coming. You made the preparation. And which premium room, executive room or business suite, everything is already communicated. So he did not to carry his luggage, giving any documents, nothing should be there. No opportunities. So that is called a multinational or global presence of any organization. When you are designing a HR policy for any JW Marriott hotel, any branch, you need to consider those things. This is the scope. So what is included here? Included is the HR, you can say facilities provided, customer database, all is included. What is excluded? Rest, everything. So the policies or the scope of HRM is decided with these parameters. Is this clear? Okay.